In part 2 of this video, we will go through with related articles and sections.
Looking to decline number of cases against women, this provision has shown a decent impact and secures and shield the women. As such, allegations are relatively terrible wherever some woman is pestered throughout the dark in a police station. In case of violation, the court will declare it as an ineligible or illegal arrest, where women are arrested in restricted time period and also under exceptional circumstances. No male police officer can arrest the woman unless permission is granted by JMFC, and women constable should accompany him. Exceptional circumstances. Exceptional circumstances are often seen when a woman has committed a cognizable offense and it becomes important at that time to arrest a woman, and in the given situation no female police officer are available, then a male officer can arrest the woman during restricted time period and can afterwards take it to the magistrate having jurisdiction with regard to the case in order to make the arrest valid. There are other legal provisions which provides the safety measures in the case of arrest of women. There is alternative legal provision that provides the protection measure within the case of arrest. Section 51 of 2 states that whenever it is necessary to cause a female to be searched, the search shall be made by another female with strict regard to decency. Section 53 of 2 states that whenever the person of a female is to be examined under this section, the examination shall be made only by or under the supervision of a female registered medical practitioner. Section 160 of 1 states that no woman under the age of 15 years shall be required to attend at any place other than the place in which such a female person resides. Women should be guarded by female constables or police officers. They must be questioned in the presence of police women. In case of the violation of this legal provision, court's action. Many times it came to the notice of the court that the police officer has profaned this provision. In that case, courts can bring actions against the police officer who has violated the provision. There have been cases where court said it illegal arrest of women. In Kavita Panikkar v. CBI 2018 SCC Online BOM 1095, a writ petition was filed seeking a writ of mandamus. The Division Bench of Bombay High Court, comprising of S.J. Kathawala and Bharti H. Dangre, J.J., decided that non-adherence to the provisions of Section 46 of 4 of the Criminal Procedure Code would absolutely amount to illegal arrest. In this case, the petitioner was the suspect in PNB scam and was drawn up the investigation by CBI. The petitioner was in remission at 8 pm, that is, once the sunset. Petitioner claims that she had conjointly tried to bring the eye of special decide towards the bootleg arrest. She conjointly discerned that her arrest is unlawful because it is violating the section 46 of 4 of the CRPC. Hence, her arrest is unlawful, and the fine of 50,000 was imposed on the police officer for violating the provision, and arrest was considered as illegal. The discussion regarding the insertion of section 46 of 4 considered whether the provision to safeguard the dignity of women and protect them from harassment and police abuse is violative of any article of Constitution of India. Is it violative of Constitution of India? According to the various legal scholars, this provision is violative of the Article 21 of Constitution of India. Article 21 states protection of life and personal liberty. No person shall be deprived of his life and personal liberty except according to the procedure established by law. Article 21 includes right to live with dignity for all persons regardless of their sexes. So, why we have got provision just for women? All persons has this right. Men also have the right to live his life with dignity, which incorporates security. Their arrests can be controlled in daytime. Since there are cases of abuse with them further, also in some or alternative approach, we will say that this specific section is offensive of Article 14 of Constitution of India that states the state shall not deny to any individual equality before law or the equal protection of laws among the territory of India. Everyone ought to be treated equally. Everyone, regardless of gender, is equal before law. We have got provision controlling the arrest of girls, and thus there should be a similar provision for protection of men. We all know that protection of girls is a lot of vital as on daily basis ladies are sexually annoyed. Pertaining to this, it can be said that one in every of the ways that to cut back the crime against the ladies. Women are more vulnerable when compared with men, so this provision facilitated the protection of women. Conclusion. There are various other legal rights of women which they are not aware of. Even in the cases of arrest, where were certain incidents where women were arrested by police in restricted time period and they were not aware of their rights, and then the court declared the arrest as illegal. As there has been the growing cases where the modesty of women has been abused during the police arrest, now there has been no such cases are reported and called as illegal arrest also. The condition and modesty of women is being preserved. This amendment has resulted in the positive outcome and can be called as one more step so to prevent the harassment of women in police arrest.
For more information about law, please subscribe our channel. You will get updated. Thank you.